Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I am making this card. Let's start then. I take this blue color paper, printed papers. I bought this from Amazon. You can use any kind of paper. Washi tape, pencil, glue and knife. Now I am writing love on the paper. Then place it over a cardboard and cut the letters out. Be careful in this step. Okay, so now attach this paper inside the card with some glue. Now I'm adding the washi tape. This will take a maximum 20 minutes. So we are done here. I hope you like this. So please like and subscribe to my channel. See you all. Bye.